What's up, guys? So, got some packages in the mail today. A couple containing replacement switchbacks for some broken ones, and this bigger one. And I don't know if I mentioned it before, but the bottom passenger side halo in my lower turn signal has decided to die on me, so that one hasn't been working. Therefore, I've been running around with just the top halos going on. You know, nobody wants to do that. So I contacted LED Concepts, and they gave me a sweet deal on the brand new style lights for the truck. So we're gonna open this up and take a good look-see here and see what the major big deal is. And you know, I don't know if any of you guys have been paying attention, but they're actually way different than what I've got right now. As you can see, these are styled just like the switchbacks that we use in the tow mirrors, and they are solid one-piece light. So they're going to just be a solid ring of light instead of the individual diodes, which is going to be pretty sweet. So I've got 4 of these guys. Got the new drivers that have way better plugs, so maybe they won't keep coming unplugged from the light, which would be great. And yeah, there's completely different here. So these are cool because not only are they RGB, but they've got a true white function, which I think is what I'm most excited about, as well as an option to wire them up as switchbacks. So you can actually wire them up to your turn signal, and if you've got them in daytime running light mode, the white, they will actually go as amber, and you could use them as your turn signal. So not only is the bottom lights coming up as switchbacks and lighting up, but the whole headlight and turn signal will light up as a switchback if I choose to wire it up that way. So anyway, excuse my mess here as always. Got that. Got some headlight sealant because I'm going to do these myself this time, and I figured I probably need some sealant, and I'm not quite sure what these are. Some kind of, looks like some kind of extensions, maybe. I have no idea what that is, but I'm looking forward to getting these into my headlights. Hopefully it's not going to be too big of a job. So maybe we might be able to do this tomorrow after work. I don't know. Maybe at least get the lower ones in. So yeah, I'm going to be trying my hand at headlights, and if this works out well for me, it's a possible option. I might do that for some people in the future. You never know. But anyway, definitely look for a review on the profile lights. I think they're going to be a lot better than the old LED Concepts lights that I've got in here, so pretty excited about that. But anyway, that's about it for today. Nothing too crazy, spectacular going on. I've got a show that I'm going to attend on Saturday. This actually has a lifted trucks and Jeep class, so there might be a chance that we may or may not get to see a possible trophy being taken home, which would be cool because that'd be my first trophy win with this truck. So anyhow, we'll see you all later.